In a move to defeat the ongoing pandemic while avoiding the rigorous lockdown path, the central government has decided to take a big leap in vaccinating the citizens. Over 13 crore vaccine doses have been administered by the states by now. Going by the trends, the figure can safely be assured to cross 15 crores by 1st of May 2021. And thereafter, the game is going to change. On the one hand, the central government will continue to give the vaccine doses in its 50% quota to states for free even after 1st May. But more significantly, India will open the floodgates to vaccinate entire 18+ population from 1st May 2021. It was not an easy decision to make. Before making any such announcement, PM Modi held a marathon meeting with leaders of pharma industry and nation's leading doctors. After everything was ensured, PM Modi made a request to the youth of India.
मेरा युवा साथियों से अनुरोध है कि वो अपनी सोसाइटी में, मोहल्ले में, अपार्टमेंट्स में छोटी छोटी कमेटियां बनाकर कोविड अनुशासन पालन करवाने में मदद करें.
Central government's duty towards citizen safety. Right from the initial outbreak of COVID-19 in India, government has been working to ensure the public safety. Here are some of the initiatives which provided a sense of relief to the citizens. Vande Bharat Mission, bringing cheers on the worried Indian faces. Vande Bharat Mission, which is now in the 10th phase, was initiated on May 7, 2020 with the aim of bringing stranded Indians back to the country. Vande Bharat Mission is not just a monotonous evacuation mission, but it has also struck an emotional chord with the family members worrying about the well-being of their stranded relatives. Vaccine Maitri, a friend in need is a friend indeed. When the world was facing a crisis of confidence regarding the shortage of vaccines, PM Modi affirmed that India's production capacity will be used to help humanity in fighting the virus. This is when the Vaccine Maitri initiative, which means vaccine friendship, was launched. The caring attitude of India is being appreciated by the entire world. PM Modi as well as the citizens have always motivated the frontline workers, be it through clapping, beating thalis or through video messages. Let's see what PM Modi had to say to the COVID warriors in his recent address.
मैं देश के सभी डॉक्टरों, मेडिकल स्टाफ, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ, हमारे सभी सफाई कर्मचारी भाई बहन, हमारे एम्बुलेंस के ड्राइवर्स, हमारे सुरक्षा बल, पुलिसकर्मी, सभी की सराहना करूंगा. आपने कोरोना की पहली वेव में भी अपना जीवन दांव पर लगाकर लोगों को बचाया था. आज आप फिर इस संकट में अपने परिवार, अपने सुख, अपनी चिंता छोड़कर दूसरों का जीवन बचाने में दिन रात जुटे हुए हैं.
India's national COVID-19 vaccination strategy. India's national COVID-19 vaccination strategy is systematic and follows end-to-end approach. India is vaccinating people at a world record pace and will continue to do so even with greater momentum. India is not only making its own record, but it's trying to break its own record every day with better and improved performance. From the last few days, PM Modi has increased his interaction with chief ministers, leaders of pharma industry and nation's leading doctors. Issues discussed were adequate supply of oxygen to hospitals and availability of emergency medicines and beds. Public-private partnership to defeat COVID-19. Vaccine manufacturing capability of private sector has been strategically empowered through decisive steps. Mission COVID Suraksha. Under Atmanirbhar Bharat 3.0, Mission COVID Suraksha has been announced by government with an aim to accelerate the development and production of indigenous vaccines. As a part of the augmentation plan, financial support of rupees 65 crore is being provided to Bharat Biotech. Along with Bharat Biotech, 3 other companies will be provided financial support by the central government. So don't lose hope. Country is working day and night with just one mission to go back to normal life as soon as possible. Ending this video on a very positive note.
साथियों, हमारे शास्त्रों में कहा गया है, त्याज्यम न धैर्यम विदुरेऽपि काले, अर्थात कठिन से कठिन समय में भी हमें धैर्य नहीं खोना चाहिए। किसी भी परिस्थिति से निपटने के लिए हम सही निर्णय लें, सही दिशा में प्रयास करें, तभी हम विजय हासिल कर सकते हैं।
That's all for today. Thank you. Take care and make sure to get yourself vaccinated.